In the heart of the untamed wilderness, the leopard emerges as a living canvas of elegance and prowess. Cloaked in a mesmerizing tapestry of spots, this elusive hunter epitomizes nature's artistry. With each sinuous movement, it navigates landscapes from lush jungles to arid savannas, a testament to its adaptability. Witness the wild's living masterpiece on YouTube Shorts, where every fleeting glimpse captures the essence of the leopard's untamed spirit.
Don't forget to follow and subscribe. Your kindness is our strength.